Welcome to the topic on navigating between routes and using router outlets. In this session, we'll learn how to navigate between routes and utilize router outlets in Angular. The Angular router provides various methods for programmatic navigation, and router outlets allow us to display different components based on the current route. 1. Programmatic navigation. Angular's router service offers methods to navigate between routes programmatically. We can trigger navigation using these methods from components or event handlers. A. Router link. The router link directive allows us to navigate to a specific route by adding it as an attribute to HTML elements. When the element is clicked, Angular automatically handles the navigation. EBAI. Router service. The router service provides the navigate method, enabling us to navigate programmatically from component code. 2. Using router outlets. Router outlets are placeholders in the application's template where the router dynamically renders components based on the current route. The component corresponding to the active route will be inserted into the router outlet. 3. Child routes and nested router outlets. We can create nested or child routes by defining additional route configurations inside the parent route. Nested router outlets allow us to display components within components, providing a hierarchical navigation structure. Summary. In the next chapter, we'll explore more advanced Angular topics to further enhance your development skills.